Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6310 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to find alarm clock and select it. After that, pick one of those alarms like alarm 2 and set up an hour. When you're done, click on OK. As you can see, my alarm is now on, but you can always select it again and over here select repeat alarm. Click on repeat alarm again and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. When you're done, click done over here and tap on yes to save your changes. You can also select it one more time, pick ringing tone and select one of the melodies by clicking on, for example, common ringtones, selecting one of the options and tapping on OK. If you want to turn off your alarm completely, you can always go back, click on select one more time, click on off, and now it's turned off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!